Hello YouTube, this is another behind the scenes video for Clowns and Robbers. It is early December 2016 right now. We're still in the same place we were as far as shooting goes. Last time I checked in, we still have 3 flashback scenes to shoot, which I'm kind of waiting till I recharge my batteries for that. But anyway, today I'm doing something kind of fun that I thought would be worth filming, which is that I'm doing some foley sound effects for our for the movie. We have a scene in a desert and some sand dunes, and I need footsteps from our clown character who wears these big shoes in the sand. So I went out and bought 2 different kinds of sand at Lowe's. This kind of sand is for like sand boxes. It's a little too fine and powdery. It doesn't make a lot of sound. This sand is a lot more coarse, which is a lot closer to what we had in the mountains, so in the sand dunes. So this is kind of how stupid and ridiculous this looks. Record on my recorder, and then clown shoe came untied. But yeah, a lot of times you would maybe have a reference to look at. I kind of have a pretty good idea of what it looks like, and as long as you're getting clean, isolated sounds, you can change the spacing, cut in between them, layer them. So I'm just trying to get some general sounds. But then the scene opens up with him laying in the sand, and there's some subtle motions for that I want to get. So one of the problems is the sand's really kind of wet right now. Got a lot of moisture lately. Now I'm all dirty. But anyway, that's kind of what Foley's like. May seem like a little excessive, and it may be. If I do my job well, then nobody will notice any of this at all. But basically, on the job, since we were in such a harsh environment, we didn't want to worry too much about sound. Also, we don't have a dedicated sound guy in this movie, so I'm putting extra work into the Foley in the movie to help give it that heightened sense of reality. It helps suck you into the scene, especially this scene, which is going to start out fairly quiet, so it's really going to be important to get nice, clean sound effects of him walking around in the sand. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully this was a little insightful. I'll be doing this for all kinds of other things, but this is probably one of the more interesting sound effects sessions we'll have, because I have to plop on the clown shoes and play in some sand. So thanks for watching.